a simple task of calculating the integral of the cosine squared between the boundaries. Well, we have to look really careful. In this case, we've done it from 0 to 1. And essentially, we're trying to work out what happens. Okay, so in Python, we need to do two things. We need a random number generator, which we import from NumPy. And we need NumPy itself as well, just essentially for a few utility routines. Then to integrate it, what we just need to do is generate enough of the random numbers, take the cosine of each of the series of random numbers, but one of the advantages of Python is you can have the cosine act on a whole list, and it will take then the cosine of each argument, and at the end add all of those numbers together after we've taken all of those numbers to the second power. That's clearly going to give me that, and divide it by n to get the average. So that looks like it does exactly what we said we were going to do. Then the next thing we need to do for I in the range 1 to 6. What we need to do is actually calculate for each of the powers of 10, between 10 and a million, to see what the integral looks like. So it might be interesting to see what happens if we run that. And what we can clearly see happening over there is that, apart from the fact that I haven't laid this out incredibly carefully, which I could have done better, and I hope you will do better, you can clearly see that it starts oscillating around the right value quite quickly. And if I were to go even higher, that would just essentially be even faster.